What if I told you Earth could have had rings just like Saturn? Picture stepping outside and seeing massive, glittering bands stretching across the entire sky. This isn't just fantasy, it's a fascinating scientific possibility that would change everything. Planetary rings form when moons venture too close to their planet. The immense gravitational forces literally tear these celestial bodies apart, creating countless fragments that eventually settle into beautiful orbital bands around the planet. Imagine sunrises and sunsets with rings casting intricate shadows and reflecting brilliant light across the sky. The rings would create the most spectacular light shows every single day, making our current auroras look ordinary by comparison. Here's something crazy: navigation would be incredibly difficult. The rings would block certain stars and constellations depending on your location on Earth. Ancient sailors and explorers would have had a much harder time finding their way across oceans. The rings wouldn't look the same year-round. Due to Earth's tilted axis, the rings would appear edge-on during some seasons and face-on during others. Sometimes they'd be nearly invisible, other times they'd dominate the entire sky. Animals would have evolved completely different behaviors. Birds might use the rings for migration patterns, nocturnal creatures would adapt to the altered moonlight, and many species would time their breeding cycles to the rings' changing appearance throughout seasons. Modern space travel would be incredibly dangerous. Our satellites would constantly dodge ring particles, and launching rockets would be like navigating through a cosmic minefield. The International Space Station probably wouldn't exist as we know it today. Human culture would be unrecognizable. Every religion, mythology, and artistic tradition would center around these magnificent rings. Ancient civilizations would worship them as bridges to the gods, and our entire understanding of beauty would be fundamentally different. The rings would actually affect our climate. They'd cast shadows on different parts of Earth throughout the day, creating unique weather patterns and temperature variations. Some regions might be cooler due to reduced sunlight from ring shadows overhead. Unfortunately, Earth can't have rings like this because our moon's gravity would destabilize them. But isn't it incredible to imagine? If you enjoyed this cosmic thought experiment, smash that like button and follow for more mind-blowing space facts.